you guys, I'm Jasmine and I'm back with yet another review video. The product that I'm going to review is one of my most favorite makeup products. I use it when I do my makeup, I use it when I don't do my makeup. As you guys can see, my lips look glossy, they look juicy, they look delicious, they smell yummy. So today I'm going to be reviewing these lip oils from Swiss Beauty. It's the newly launched Dip Tint Lip Oils, and let's dive right into it. So I'm going to start by giving you guys a closer look of the products and the four flavors that they come in. So we have the lip oil in four colors and four flavors. They're peach, strawberry, dragon fruit, and kiwi. The packaging is amazing. It's easy to carry anywhere, and this is how the product looks, and it's absolutely stunning. Also, another thing that I really loved about it is their variety. It comes in four flavors: peach, dragon fruit, strawberry, and kiwi, and they smell exactly like the fruits. So delicious, so juicy. So now that you guys have seen all the four lip oils, I'm going to swatch one for you all and I'm going to show you how to actually open it. So the best way to open it is twist and then dip. And once you get the product in the applicator, just apply it to your lips. Okay, so first things first, I've applied dragon fruit, and let me tell you guys, the application feels extremely smooth. Like my lips don't feel chappy, they feel nourished, they feel moisturized. That's also because it has vitamin E extracts in it. One more thing I would like to tell you all is that it adapts to the pH level of your lips. अब इसका मतलब ये होता है कि अगर आपके लिप्स पिंक है तो ये पिंक शेड देंगे। जो भी आपके लिप्स का नेचुरल कलर है, दिस लिप ऑयल विल एनहांस दैट कलर। और अगर आपने इस फॉर एग्जांपल कोई लिपस्टिक भी लगाई है या यू हैव some lip tint, so this is going to give you that color as well. So that is something I absolutely love about it. Now that I've already applied dragon fruit, I sort of want to mix it with strawberry and see the kind of change that it makes. Like, look at this looks like such a stunning shade of pink. So let's just mix strawberry. One thing about this is that it feels extremely nourishing. My lips feel very smooth, and now that I've mixed two shades, they look even more brighter with the natural shade of my lips. So that is something that's commendable. Now I'm like an excited kid who's got hold of an amazing product. So I want to swatch it on my hands also so that you guys get a closer look of the product. So I'm going to take the flavor peach. I'm going to twist it. I'm going to dip it. I'm going to swatch it at the back of my hand. Let me just swatch this for you. I mean, A, it's glossy. B, it does have that pink tint. And it's just an amazing product. Let's watch kiwi for you guys since it's such a stunning shade. And it smells tropical. So this is how kiwi looks. I mean, just look at the gloss, and it does have a very subtle yellowish tint which is very visible. Like, it's different from the color of my skin. A few more things that I want to mention in regards to this lip oil is A, that they haven't tested it on animals, and that already makes it a great product. It's vegan friendly. They have natural plant extracts and also infused with vitamin E. So these things for me make a difference as a consumer when I'm buying a new product. So I thought I have to share it with you guys. So with this, I come to the end of my review. As you guys can see, the color is still there. It looks even more stunning as time passes. It's long lasting. My lips feel moisturized. They feel nourished. They're only for $2.99, you guys, available on the website of Swiss Beauty. It's an amazing product and I personally recommend it. Thank you for staying till the end of the video, and I'll see you guys super soon.